Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule video on YouTube app. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First, tap on this plus icon. Hello everyone, now select the video you want to upload. Today in this video, add your video title, description, and thumbnail here. After adding, scroll down and click on the public button here. After that, click on arrow next to the schedule. Now select the schedule time of your video here when your video will be uploaded. For example, I select 12 a.m. After that, tap on OK button. Now your video will be automatically uploaded at 12 a.m. In this way, you can schedule the video on YouTube.